more information continues to emerge about the reasons behind Jamaica not playing a part in the hosting of the T20 Cricket World Cup next year. One of the things no one is mentioning as a factor in the JCA and the government's lackluster effort is the fact that the West Indies team is poor and stands no chance of winning the World Cup. And there are no superstars in West Indies cricket anymore. So the politicians in the government, picking up on the waning popularity of the cricket generally in the country and the lack of star power, they calculated that the fallout of not hosting the event would be minimal. You see, there's a certain intangible energy and enthusiasm attached to a winning team and to star players that make the marketing and the selling of events they're involved in much easier. Most people in Jamaica don't care two hoots about a T20 World Cup, and Jamaicans generally don't love cricket like, let's say, the Indians or the Pakistanis or the Australians. Not anymore. And the government realized that and said, no World Cup round here. And really and truly, a lot of us don't care.